My name is Promise, and I'll teach you how to solve this without a calculator. So 5 raised to power s plus 25 raised to power s is equal to 125 raised to power s. Dividing everything by 5x, and 5x, we have 1 plus 5 raised to power x is equal to 25 raised to power s, and 1 is equal to 25 raised to power x minus 5 raised to power x. 25 raised to power s minus 5 raised to power s, we have that 1 is equal to 20 raised to power s. If we take the natural logarithm of both sides, we have ln 1 is equal to ln 20 raised to power x, 20 raised to power s, 20 raised to power s, and ln 20 raised to power s is the same thing as saying s raised to s ln 20, and from here we find out that ln 1 is equal to 0, is equal to s ln 20, and s is equal to 0 divided by ln 20, which is equal to 0.